What's going on, internet? It's your favorite Kamen Rider unboxer here. Check it out. The mailman came and found my front door. I doubt you can, but there you go. It's official. It's pretty cool handwriting, by the way. Yeah. They left my Forza belt at someone else's place down the way. So I'm out there, no socks and shoes on, walking down just like this with a package in my hand, looking like a crazy person. I hope nobody called the police on me, but it's a good thing I unboxed these on camera. That's all I gotta say. Anyway, safety first. Let's get it in. Let's get it in. Or rather, let's get into it. This is... I don't know why I got this one. Oh, I stabbed the art, dude. I stabbed the art. It's Mewtwo. Dude, that's sick. What is this? Look, I stabbed the poster. That's sick, dude. I completely went overboard. Mewtwo Strikes Back. That's pretty cool. I like these little, like, bonuses in these packages. It's a nice touch. Anyway, into the main appetizer. The memory for the Axle driver, or the Lost driver, or the Double driver. It's the extreme form. But instead of the one that transforms, I just got, oh, I didn't even know. Thank you. The big toy shop. That is so cool. They're pretty legit. You know, check them out. You can't really make that out. Anyway, here we are. So, it comes with a sticker. I have to apply a sticker, I guess. I hope this works with the driver. I might have to actually cut this video. Me trying it out. We'll see. That'll be a quick cut anyway. Yo, it's me from the future. Dude, what the fuck is this? Ooh, excuse my language. But this is not what I imagined. It's like 2 drivers. This is interesting. Alright, so here's it is. Here's it is. In all of its glory. Let's see if we can try to put it together in the package. In the baggage, you know? Oh, I think it's like this. Dude. Let me take it out. In there. Let's see what we got. So it's like green. It looks okay. It looks pretty cool. Not bad. I don't know which way it goes. Like this, definitely not like that. It's gotta go like this. Clicking it right in. So I'm gonna take the tab out. Let me get back here. My fingernails are so disgusting. Whoa, that's not bad. Not bad. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna try that with the driver. Let me just clear my fingernails out. So yeah, can't believe I checked my eBay and it said it was delivered, but I swore I just checked outside. I just got home from work. I didn't see anything out there. So I went around the corner, panicking. Like I said, no socks or shoes on. It's gotta be out here. And it definitely was. Right by some branches where looked like they were like landscaping out there, which is ironic because that's what I do. Crazy. Well, I got it. It just rained too a little bit, so I hope it didn't get wet. This one is the Forza. This is the X8. Look at that. Clean fingernails. Okay, so let's continue. I really like this. Here's my only other memory, so for comparison. Yeah, okay. It looks like this one has no lights. This one does. Oh wait, doesn't. Nope. No lights. That's alright. I like red and green because it's like Christmas, you know what I mean? The sticker. That's crazy because the sticker covers both halves. I guess it's never supposed to separate again. Very strange. I'll get to that. Dude, I can't believe I stabbed Mewtwo. Gnarly, dude. Gnarly. It's my favorite Pokemon, by the way. The Mews. Because it's not sitting there like, pika, 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 pika. I can actually understand it. Here's some other memories in the line. If I had to get one, I like the stone ones. They look sick. But I really need these two. That's the one I have right there. I really need these two. But those look sick. So please explain what that says in the comment if you understand. Please. Here's a Forza memory. A Magic memory. I just watched the movie on YouTube. It's like the first one. My favorite. I thought it would be corny, but it was so sick. So glad I stuck with that one. So, let's move this out of the way. Nothing left in here. Can't believe they left my package at someone else's door. That never happened before. This little guy. Got some traffic outside. Pretty legit. Probably sell him on eBay or something. Maybe. We'll see. Look at him. I don't even know which rider he is. He looks like he's from O's. Or Kaiba. Not sure. Not sure. Don't roast me too hard, please. Future self. Because I will be looking into it. Alright, so. Here we go. The box. That almost got away. It looks rainproof anyway. Here we go. Let's try not to stab it. And there's like a hole in it too. Let's do this. Easy does it. Easy does it. I think that's good. Bang. We got some Asian news articles. We got some, dang, we got instructions, dude. That's dope, son. Alright, so we got the belt itself. I love how this belt looks. We're doing a close-up of that in a second. So many switches. 12 to be exact. So here we go. This belt comes used, so there's some scratches. But you know what? It's not that bad. It's not. Let's see if it works. Dang, dude. That does not work at the moment. It's not working. There's no batteries in there, so we'll see how that goes. We got some origami. Let's get some close-ups going on. So this is probably one of my favorite belts so far. Not gonna lie. When I first was getting into it, this looked like it would be my least favorite. It looks like a Game Boy Advance. you know, with some like fidgetness going on, but it's so cool in person. So here's the lovely tricorder. Thank you for this time. Also, if there's opportunity, thank you. Okay. And that's nice. Lovely. So let's get into the rest of the box. It's like all my extras. I like this belt. I like that. I want to build it first. No. We're gonna need this and boom. Box. Be gone. Bam, bam. Very cool. I mean, this kind of is like an unboxing video. This is like bonus. Maybe I'll save this for later. I only have so much memory. And that's not gonna fall forward. Cool. Alright. Let's get into this one. This is weird tape. Look at this tape. Look at that. So hefty, heavy duty tape going on. It looks like an ace bandage. This is the XA belt. Oh, this is gonna be time consuming. I can already tell. Safety first. Do not cut towards yourself. Is that the right way? Dude, this is fortified. I wish all my packages came with this much love. Just kidding. I can get in there. No problem. This is the X8. No problem. We got some of these. This doesn't work. Is this not DX? Dude. There's the belt. Whoa, what's going on? Whoa. Thank you. Add one gift. More origami. Okay. So is this not the DX version? Look at this little thing in here. What is this? Look at this. Alright, so here it is, guys. The X8 belt. Alright. That's about it for today. Psych. Put that to the side with the bonuses. Alright. Belt. Gas shit. Nothing else. And that's it. Dude. It's not cheap. I hope I might have to look back. It looks like there's room for batteries in here. It might be old. Yeah, this is DX. Whew. Set. So usually I read it like 5 times before I buy anything. And I always look at, reviews and compare my options. So if I got the wrong one, that'd probably be why. So if I'm not mistaken, there's no electronics in here at all. I need to get these running. Yeah, there's 3 of these gashettes. And none of them work. Wow. This is cool though. It looks sick. Okay. But I can't use it right now. So that's what the separate reviews are for after I get the batteries in and all that good stuff. I'm recording on a Samsung. So what? Baby, look at that. The gamer driver. I had to. And this one looks like a Game Boy. And there's literally, look at these two together. They kind of go together. They're like the wackiest series that Kamen Rider has, in my opinion. Oh no, sorry. Look at that. So cool, dude. So cool. Alright, I'm signing out. I'm already 60 minutes in. Peace.